Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Zaidi Mustafa. In this channel, I'm gonna be sharing with you a lot of tactic and strategy on how to make money online. So if you head over to my channel, I have bunch of video that going to teach you how to make money online, how to make PayPal money and etc. So in this particular channel, I'm gonna be sharing with you jobs for introverts and quiet people. And if you're interested to learn more about how to make money online, just consider subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell notification as well, so that way you're not gonna miss every time I upload my new video, right? So let's dive right into our content. Our first job for introverts and quiet people is called 1888typeitup.com, right? 1888typeitup.com. So head over to this website. You're going to land over to this page. Okay, what you're going to do is you're going to transcribe an audio file to a written form, right? So there's a lot of people gonna need this type of services, and 1888typeitup.com is going to help you to meet their client. So they're going to provide the client, and you as a contractor are going to work with this company, and they're going to split 50-50 the revenue with you here. Okay, so I'm going to show you the FAQ over here. So this is applicant FAQ. So obviously you're gonna need a set of headphone or earphone, a decent quality, because you're gonna need to hear the audio file. So I'm afraid if you don't have a decent quality of audio or headphone, you're not going to hear the audio file accurately. So it's going to make you slightly harder to transcribe all the file, right? So is experience required? We very much value experience, but we do not require it. We only require that you pass our transcription test. So obviously you're gonna sit a test that they need to ensure that you are able to transcribe all the file and meet their requirement to work with them. Okay, so we are looking for the highest accurate possible. As such, proofreading your work word for word against the audio is critical, and a high quality set of headphone is necessary for this. Okay, we require accurate formatting and style too. Unlike other transcription competitor, with this company they're gonna provide you a table template, so you're going to work according the table template. So there is a slightly learning curve for transcribing within the table template, but over time I think you're gonna make used to it and you're gonna comfortable with it. Reliability is of utmost importance. If you take hours or day to respond to email, we are less likely to have confidence in sending you work, right? So in the other word is you have to show up every time they sending you out for a job. Okay, so if you take like a day or two just to respond to the job, so you are most likely not like really interested with the job. So they're literally going to sending this job for other person. So you have to take this opportunity. For your information, there are a lot of people who are actually looking for this type as well. So you're gonna need show up every time they need you. If you can pass our transcription test and meet our FAR standard, which is accuracy, formatting, and reliability, we are happy to bring you on board our team of dedicated transcriptionists. Okay, so as you can tell, they need accuracy, formatting, and reliability. So what is the interesting about this company? They don't look at your typing speed, but instead the accuracy is the most important here, right? So you have to ensure that you can type accurate and using the format that they're going to giving you, which is the table template, and reliability, which is you have to show up every time they need you, every time they sending you out the job. Okay, so how much do you pay? Basically you're gonna get paid like 30 all the way up to $180 per audio hour. So it's totally depend. The payment is going to vary for each job, because it's also depend on the customer, how much the customer are willing to pay. But they promise you they're going to try as best as they could to get at least $1 all the way up to $3 per audio minutes. So what else is there? An age limit to apply. You must be at least 14 years old to work with this company, and also you're gonna need a PayPal account, because they are only going to send you the payment via PayPal. So if you haven't get signed up with PayPal already, just head over to paypal.com and get signed up. It's really straightforward. It's very simple process. May I apply if I'm outside the United States of America? Obviously, this is actually the worldwide job. So if you are not staying in United States, you also be able to work with this company. How do you pay? They're going to pay you via PayPal. How much do you pay? So like I told you, they're going to pay you from $30 all the way up to $180, which is that is pretty decent amount of money for transcription service. Okay, so I think that is it, the important thing that you have to know. And if you interested to work with this company, just click the job application to get sign up. So that is the first job for introverts. So now I'm gonna show you the second job for introverts and quiet people. But before we start with this company, I just want to tell you, if you are interested to learn how to make money just drawing boxes, I have another video, another cool video that teach you how to make money only by drawing boxes. I'm going to link the card right on top of this video. Just click on the card and then you're going to lead to the video, right? So the second jobs for introverts and quiet people is called writeraccess.com. So head over to Writer Access. You're going to land over to this page. Okay, so what is this all about? This is slightly different from this website because this website is actually a transcriptions based website, and this website is actually for writing an article, right? So you are literally going to make money as an introvert by writing article. So there are few different opportunity right here, which is article. You can make money by writing article, blog posts, case studies, copywriting if you are good on copywriting, social posts, white papers, and websites. So if you are interested to make money from one of these opportunities, you can make money with Writer Access as well. So you can just read by your own. Now I'm going to share with you the pay rates. All right, so head over, scroll down below. So underneath for freelancer tab, there are pay rates tab, and then just simply click on the pay rate tab, and I'm going to share with you how much you're going to earn with this website. This is the pay rates. So it's actually depends on the level that you can generate for this website. So they're going to pay you $2.80 per word for 3-star level. All right, so you can increase your payment all the way up to 6-star level. And as you can tell, while I slide the slider, all the requirement also going to increase. So in order to get 6-star level and in order to get 7 cents per word, you are going to have to meet all the requirement that available over here, right? So spelling and grammar, clarity and precision, basic tone and style, and etc. Obviously, you're gonna need to improve yourself as well. So you're gonna need to meet all the requirement in order to make more money, right? And I think that's it. If you are interested to make money by writing article, blog posts, and etc., you can head over to Writer Access and you can just click on the sign up button over here. It's completely free. You don't have to invest any dime. Okay, I think that is pretty much it, how you're going to work as an introvert. So now I'm going to share with you another cool websites that allow you to accelerate the process of making money and to help you to make way more money as well with all this website. Okay, and the website is called livechatinc.com, livechatinc.com. Head over to this website. And the thing that I'm going to share with you is the typing speed test. Okay, just click over the typing speed test. Well, although the typing speed is not the thing that they are looking for, obviously if you can type faster, obviously you are going to make more money. Okay, because with this website is you can type more faster, you can finish more article for only a short period of time, right? So this website I think is also important. So you can test your typing speed here and you can practice in order to make more money as well, right? So just type all the word that they provide over here and then you can improve your typing speed. I highly recommend you to make this practice more often, so that over time you're going to increase your typing speed as well. Okay, so I think that's it for today's video. the jobs for introvert and quiet people video. And I just want to tell you, if you also interested to make money only by selling Gmail account, I'm going to link up a card over here, or just simply click on this big picture over here. Then you're going to learn literally how to make money only by selling Gmail account. Alright, so that's all guys. Don't forget to click subscribe and also give me some thumbs up, because it does help this channel out and it does help this video to reach more people as well. Alright, so that's all. See you on my next video. Bye bye.